excited to talk about the way that we are restructuring, that we are organizing for endless possibilities for our students. We know that we serve over 141,000 students here in Charlotte, and we need to make sure that we're doing what's best for them. And so the new organizational structure will help us as we carry out the goals and the guardrails that the board adopted for us last October. In the past, we've been organized by area, where One Learning Community Soup was responsible for pre-K all the way through high school, and the new model allows us to narrow their scope. So we're not only narrowing the number of principals that they supervise, but also narrowing their scope. It's absolutely not about performance. Everyone that's in the positions that we've actually dissolved, I'm really excited about the opportunity for them to interview. If people aren't selected for the positions that we have posted, because we are a large district, we know we will have multiple positions that are available for people to express their interest, to interview, apply, and then potentially be selected for those roles. By the new organizational model, as I shared, specifically for our learning community, we will be aligned by level. And so again, instead of having 9 people have to focus and zero in on a specific area, there'll be a smaller number. The other thing that this model allows us to do is to pay really close attention to things that may not be lifted in terms of our goals and guardrails. We are also aware that currently our learning community soups aren't well resourced. And so with our new model, we have an opportunity to make sure that they have all of the resources at their disposal to be the most effective and impactful for our students. All of the positions have been posted. They were posted on the date of the announcement, and they will remain open until filled. However, we've already started the process of screening interviews. The plan is to do final round interviews the second week in February, and I would like to take contracts to the Board of Education no later than the first board meeting in March. I would just love for all of Charlotte-Mecklenburg Schools to understand that the decision is what I believe is in the best interest of our students. I believe in a strong culture. Our people are our strongest asset, always. Our students are what we're focused on, but our people are our greatest asset. And the only way that we can do what's best for our students is to make sure that we have a strong culture. I would like to thank our employees and our community for their support during this time. I want to make sure that I'm very clear that we are focused on the here and now. We have a job to do right now for our students and also for each other. So while we're going through these changes, we are staying focused here, and we know that change is hard, but we're going to support each other, we're going to get through this, and we're going to be better on the other side. We are organizing for endless possibilities, and we know that it starts with us.